In this class, we'll talk about include audio in our web page. Play audio in HTML is not easy. Why? Think about how many browsers users may use. We can have IE, can have Chrome, have Firefox, Safari, or Opera. Also, user may use PC, Mac, iPad, or iPhone. So for different hardware, we may have a different issue. Also, another problem is for audio may have different formats. For example, we have MP3, we have WAV, or OGG. So for different browsers, they support different formats. So that causes a big problem. Usually when we play audio, we need the plugins. The famous plugin is Auto Flash Players. We can use object or embed tag to include plugin. We can have several ways to play audio. We can use different tag. We can use the embed tag. We can control the height, the width, and also the source. For example, say this example, we use invert, and we can set the height, width, and also we need the source. Remember, the file should be in the first thing folder with your code file. So let's run it in Firefox. Yeah, both of them work. We have different form MP3 or WAV. Let's play in IE. Looks good. Chrome support very well. Looks good. So looks good. All of them can support those two different formats. That's the first way. The second way, we can use object. The differences between object and also the embed is, you can say, embed close by itself, but object will have a close tag. Why? Because for object, if the object couldn't display the file, it will display this message. Means at least when something happens, object can give you a hint what happened. You can give user some message. That we call the interface friendly. So let's look the example. Do you need this? In Firefox. So both of them work very well. Just in case something like say the browser, the hardware doesn't support this kind of format, and this we can display this message. It means when object failed to play this file, it will perform something here. In HTML5, we have a new tag. It's called audio, but audio only supported in new browsers. Audio is much easier. You can say here, we have several sources. Why? Actually, audio will try to play the first source. Only the first source fails. Then audio will try to play the second one. If the second one also, then the audio or HTML will display this message. So it provides more options to different browsers or different hardware. The only problem for audio is only supported in HTML5. If you use some older browser, you will have some problem. Audio, okay. You then need some time to run the file. but it's the same thing. So what's the best solution? We call the best solution is, say, we can use the embed, we can use the object, and we can use the audio. But the best solution is we use this way. First, we use audio because audio have some backup function. Audio try to play this file if it fails this second choice. If both of them, like say you use some old browser, then at least the HTML will perform the third one, the third backup, the embed. Means that even though the first two failed, we still can use the third one. We call this as the best solution because it can support more, like say user may in different situation, you can cover more situation. So you can download all those this file and all this code file and all those different format of audio on D2L, but because I zip them, you need to extract the single file. That